Hi guys, it's Anne here, and today's video is my Topbox unboxing. Yay! This is my favorite unboxing to do. So I actually got both my Topbox and my Boxycharm early this month. Super surprised at the Boxycharm. I normally don't get that until after the 15th. And then Topbox usually doesn't ship out until the 15th of the month, unless you do they have like you can pick. So how it works is it's a Canadian subscription box, very similar to Ipsy. It's usually mostly deluxe sample size with maybe one or two full-size products, and it costs $12 Canadian. It cost me $13.56, including tax. However, before you get your monthly box, they send out an email asking, do you want one of these special different boxes? So sometimes it's literally like just one product, but it's usually like value is worth way more than the actual box. I've done that before in the past. I did one box that was just all face masks from the brand Masquerade. So this one I know is from a specific thing that I picked, although I totally forget what I pick usually. And however, I kind of know what this is now because when I was like marking off my address, so you couldn't see my address, there's a word here and I'm like, oh, I think I know what this is. So let's just open this. So in this ginormous box, Topbox, you need to figure this out. I'm sure it's probably cheaper for you to have like all boxes the same size. I don't think it's environmentally friendly because I have this inside that. This giant box with this little thing in it. Anyway, I'll stop ripping on Topbox because I really do like Topbox. So I want you guys to be the best you can be. So it's criticism because I love you. Anyway, it's a Huda Beauty lipstick, except for it's in this like plastic packaging. So let me just get that open and then we'll take a look at it. So if you know me, you know I'm a sucker for lipstick. When they had the Huda Beauty lipsticks, I'm like, oh, I really want one of those, but I probably would never pay full price for them. And I'm so excited that I got one. So this is in the shade Interview. This is what the packaging looks like. It is beautiful. It's like this matte packaging, and you can see the Huda Beauty etched in there. So yeah, beautiful packaging. This is like a nice nude brown shade. So before I destroy that, I'll show you what it looks like. I love browns. Oh, actually it's going to be a bit maybe more mauve-y on the lips. So that's what it looks like. I'll try it on the oh I could do this all day. So happy that I got this. So again, I'll put the retail price of what this costs, and I'll put it cost me $13.56 for the box. So yay, thank you Topbox. And just to quickly go through my Boxycharm. So for Boxycharm, I'll put the price on it. I pay around $33 Canadian. I did a 3-month subscription. I'm going to stop it now. So I did June, July, August. I'm going to stop it for a little while. I just don't feel like for me it's worth it to do it every month. I mean, obviously cost-wise it is, but I just sometimes get overwhelmed by the products. And sometimes I just want to like, okay, I want to spend that $30 towards something that I really want instead of something that I maybe want. And yeah, so I definitely really think Boxycharm is worth it for the dollar value. You definitely get your money's worth for Boxycharm. So the theme for the month was Totally, which I don't really know. I guess it's like 90s, like totally. I don't know. I'm a 90s child, 90s teenager. But anyway, the reason why I'm not unboxing this like as a surprise unboxing is because, and I don't know if this is just a Canadian thing, I'm assuming it is, because on the box it has like a, what do you call it, a customs declaration, and it prints out all the stuff on the inside. So I don't even have to open the box to know it's in here. So what I did was, instead of doing like a surprise unboxing, I'll share what I got, and I do have almost everything on my face right now. And actually, the thing I don't have on my face, I'm going to try it maybe with that lipstick. Should be interesting. So the first thing in the box is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And this is a pretty nice oil. Again, I've only used it once because I tried all this on I have it on my face right now. I'll just show you what it looks like. So one thing to note with this, it's kind of like pink, and it's going to run away before I can get it to focus. But anyway, I'll blend that in. You can see it's a nice oil. I find it was really, really lightweight. So I actually had to use sort of like 2 drops that size to cover my whole face. My face is a little bit dry today, so I felt like I needed that, and I didn't have any other moisturizer on before I put this on. But the one thing that I did notice is when I looked at my face really close up, there are like those tiny, teeny tiny shimmers in it that I could see. So if you really hate anything that has that in there, you won't like this, but I feel like you'd have to be pretty close up to see that. Like I was looking in a magnifying mirror, and once you put anything else over top, like you're not going to notice that. So yeah, I'm not sure the point of illuminating sometimes. But yeah, like that's something to note, that it does have like little teeny, like the teeniest, tiniest shimmers in it. But it's one of those things like, you know, when you move your face and you can kind of see like a little sparkle here and there. I did notice that, but again, I was looking in like a magnifying mirror. The next thing in the box, which I think everybody got, was the Becca Hydra-mist Set and Refresh Powder. I'm pretty sure this is just the regular one. I think somebody else said that there was like, you might get the bronzing one or a different one. So this is what that looks like. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful packaging. And I do have that on just like sort of around my T-zone and my chin and my forehead. I just patted it on very gently. It definitely feels weird. It definitely feels wet going on. So it's a very just unusual powder. I think I'm gonna have to use this a bit more to see if I like it or not. It's incredibly fine though. Like I've been using the Covergirl powder, and this is like way finer than the Covergirl loose powder. So I'm very happy to have this because I did want to buy this last year. I think it was last summer, maybe, when this came out, and I definitely was interested in it then, and I just never bought it. I ended up buying a small hourglass powder because I really wanted that one too. So definitely happy to have this. Sorry, the retail price of the Wander Glow Ahead is $42 US. I'll put the Canadian price below. The Becca Hydra-mist and Refresh Powder is $39 US. And the next 2 things, I received the Ace Beauty eyeshadows, and I received them in the colors Cotton Candy and Ice Latte. So Cotton Candy is the pinker shade, and Ice Latte is the more golden coppery shade. And I have both of those on my eyes today. I mostly have the Cotton Candy shade on my lid. They went on really, really nicely. The packaging is very reminiscent of Colourpop. I'll just swatch them both on my hand here. They're not like the Colourpop Super Shock shadows, I don't think. I feel like those ones are a bit more creamy, whereas these ones are just not quite as creamy. But maybe they're still creamy, but not as creamy. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense at all. I'm happy I got these colors, though. I did see a couple of photos of 2 different colors, and I was like, oh, I don't know. But these colors are definitely my kind of colors. So that's them there. You can see they're very, very, very shiny. The top one is Cotton Candy, and the bottom one is Ice Latte. So I'm very happy with those. Definitely my kind of colors, especially for summertime. And then the next product in the box is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. So I do have that on my eyes today. I thought it went on really well. It's not a wet formula. It's maybe on the drier side. It's an hourglass, so the packaging is like holy freaking neon. Like on camera, it looks a little more fuchsia, but in person, it is like that hot pink neon. It's a little, kind of hurts my eyes a little. But anyway, I've been needing a new mascara. I've been wanting to start a fresh one, so I'm kind of glad that I got this. That is what the brush looks like. Actually, let me go get the L'Oreal Lash Paradise and we can compare the brush tip. So comparing it to the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, it's definitely, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise is much thicker, drier. This one feels a little bit more like the Better Than Sex one, maybe. So that's what it looks like compared to the brush tip. I mean, you can see that my Lash Paradise is pretty old, but you can see it's definitely a thicker formula right on the brush. And it's a bigger brush than the Lash Paradise. So I'm wearing 2 coats of this mascara on the top and 1 coat on the bottom. I liked the way it went on. It was very lengthening right away. I wouldn't say it was as volumizing as I like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, because I just like the very big bushy eyelashes. That sounds kind of gross actually, but I definitely like a lot of volume in my lash. Not necessarily length is what I'm looking for. This definitely felt like it gave length and volume. Once I added a second coat, I think the volume came with the second coat. And the retail price of the Big Ego Mascara is $23 US. And wanted to point out, it is a vegan mascara. So that's cool. And then the last product in the box is this Steve Laurant lip liner, which I'm really glad to have gotten this, because I had gotten that liquid lipstick in a Topbox a while ago, but I gave it away because I knew it was not a shade for me, whereas this is definitely a shade for me. Didn't really quite go with what I was going with my face today, but I think it will go well with the Huda Beauty lipstick. So I'm just swatching it beside that. So there it is next to the Huda Beauty lipstick. So I think those will actually pair really well. So that worked out quite nicely. It's definitely a deeper like rose color. The color is Vogue. I'm assuming Vogue is the color. And the retail price of that lip liner is $15 US. I definitely feel like it's not too dry, and it's not too, I don't want like them too creamy either. I like them kind of in the middle, and this definitely feels like it's in the middle. So let's take a quick second to try on the Huda Beauty lipstick. So I'm back, and I've paired the Huda Beauty lipstick with the Steve Laurant lip liner, and I think they actually go really well together. I just lined my lips with the lip liner. I didn't fill them in, and yeah, I am loving this lip color. I can't wait to wear this in the fall. It feels really nice. It feels very lightweight. Sometimes I find a matte lipstick is sort of like thick, and it sort of like, I don't know, it's very like dry on your lips, but this feels really, really nice. I like the idea of having like the matte look, but I'm not a huge fan of the liquid lipsticks, so super happy with this. Both Boxycharm and Topbox this month were like 2 thumbs up. I'm no duds in the bunch. I'm so happy with both boxes this month. I'm curious to know what you guys got in your Topbox or Boxycharm this month. I hope you liked this video. If you did, feel free to give it the little thumbs up down below, and I would love it if you did subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. And if you check out my previous video, you'll see there's a little giveaway going on. You can enter that. The link will be in that video in the description box. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.